Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in CSIR 2019. So our question is, let f from R to R be a non-decreasing function. Which of the following can be the set of discontinuous of f? Here, the function which is defined from R to R is non-decreasing function. So we can let one function which is non-decreasing and discontinuous also. So increasing function, let greatest integer function x. This is what the graph of this greatest integer function is. This and here also. So this is open in what? Integers, that is 1, 2, 3, here also 1, 2 and so on, here also -1, -2 and so on. So we see this function is increasing function and it is discontinuous at integers, that is continuous. Mod z is defined on what? Whole r minus integers. So this is in discontinuous as integers. So the set of discontinuous we can say is integer also. Okay, in integers, an integer is what? Infinitely countable infinite set. Integer is what? It's a countable infinite set. So we can generalize this if the function is non-decreasing function and it is discontinuous at what? Countably infinite point. So natural number is also countable set which is infinite countable. Rational number is also countable which is infinite countable. So this two option can also be correct. Here can word is there, so this three option can be true. But if we see that fourth option, r minus q, which is equals to q complement, that is irrational number, and we know irrational number is uncountable set. So discontinuous, if the function is discontinuous, then it is in finite, in countable infinite or finite set. It cannot be uncountable set. So option this is wrong and options A, B and C are correct. So this is the question based on countability only and some knowledge about function. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.